RVSN stock analysis price predictions for next week. This is it a buy or not? Watch this quick and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Especially just overviewing Rail Vision. This is a bearish market, and why am I saying this? Well, because I'm still sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos, especially even speaking with RVSN. I talked about how if I see a double break, I'm looking to take things down. I'm still sticking to exactly that. Right? Then if I don't see that, you know, if there is not a second break beneath 35 cents, then there's just no way that I will go with the sell side. And mainly, man, because it's a very choppy price action, I don't think that I will even go with the sell side, because for the same amount of risk, I can be like putting it towards the long, potential long on auto ticker, and then making a bunch more, right? But yeah, I'm just saying how things are looking like for me currently. This is by no means financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. It's free sauce. Goodbye and enjoy.